So here we are, off to find the mysterious Poncho Man. Somewhere in this garden he lives and breathes Poncho. This is a scary moment. I could make millions with this shot. Come on, Poncho Man. I know you're here. Gotta be extremely quiet not to scare him. If we scare him, he might Poncho me in the face. Where is the Poncho Man? Okay, we're approaching the Poncho lair. Duck underneath. The Poncho is here somewhere. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's the Poncho Man!